hello, long time no see. I really hate intros. Just let's not do that. I've been wanting to cut my hair for a while now. I believe in one of my other videos I might have mentioned that I cut my hair myself. This one person in the comment was like, how do you cut your hair? Like, show us how you cut your hair. And I was like, no. Just because I said I cut my hair doesn't mean I'm good at it. There is absolutely no method to my madness. I just get, like, I'm very impatient. Last time I tried to follow like a curl by curl tutorial, and then I got like halfway done one half of my head, and I was just like, yeah, I can't do this. I feel like my hair is like consistently lopsided. If you follow Mains by Mell, she put a video out maybe a couple months ago of her doing her sister Amanda's hair. It didn't look too complicated, like she taught her sister how to do it in the video. So that's what I'm gonna do today. Let me show you my hair. It's been in a bun probably for like 3 days now. This is the state that my hair is in. I used to be able to put my hair back in like a ponytail like this and have some cute pieces hanging here. Well, now they're too long. It's not cute. I don't know if this haircut's gonna create layers. I mean, I'd like it to, because right now I feel like my hair looks like a shelf. This whole section right here stops here. And this whole section stops here. There's no gradient. I just want to trim it up and like commit to trimming it this time. I'm just gonna go shampoo my hair and condition it, detangle it, and then I will be back. I'm back. Let's dive in. And the first thing that they're supposed to do is brush all my hair back and find my natural part. I'm pretty sure my natural part is like a middle part, but I do have like a widow's peak thing going on here. It'll be interesting to see what side that actually lands on. I feel like that's not even. Apparently that's my part. Okay, let's go back. I can see where it's going. It's pretty much what it came out to last time. So we're just gonna accept that as my part. So what you're supposed to do next is you're supposed to find your bang section. So you're supposed to take a comb and stick it at the top of your forehead, and then where it lifts off, which is about here, supposed to be my bang section. Oh. Okay, don't know if I did that right. That feels like it would make sense. Apparently that is my bang section, and that is what I'm sticking with. Now I'm supposed to make a little triangle off of the part. So I guess like there, yeah, so a little piece here on this side, a little piece, and a little piece on this side. Not really sure what that lump is. That's definitely not a triangle. This feels triangular to me, but it just doesn't seem even. Alright, that seems a little bit more even to me, although it's like 2 hairs. But so next, and I've never had short sections like this. But apparently you're supposed to cut the bang section or cut the first shortest layer. Apparently it's supposed to be a couple inches underneath your chin. I'm gonna leave mine just maybe here. Keep it kind of long because I have lots of fears. Here. Yeah, let's do that. Ready? Goodness. It's so uneven. All right, we're in here already. This is more organized than my usual haircuts. Oh no. That's so short. I don't know if I'm gonna be, oh god. I don't know if I'm gonna like that or hate that. It could be cute. Okay, look at the difference. This one ends here. This one ends here. I might regret saying what I said, but well, if I mess up my own hair, it's fine. Okay. Hi guys, so this actually was a little bit more difficult than I thought it would be. For the most part, I just couldn't figure out if I was redirecting my hair far enough or if I was accidentally tilting my head down, and I really wanted to get like that steep angle. I just wasn't really sure what it was supposed to look like, and I kept losing my guide. My guide hair just, I couldn't find it, so yeah, it's a little difficult. Okay, this is actually harder than I thought it would be. You're supposed to comb your hair at a steep angle, but I can't get any of this. It's so fine. Also, I have no idea where my guide went. Okay, I found her. She ends like here. Okay, let's try this again. You're not supposed to like tilt your head down apparently, but I'm not a professional. We're gonna deal with the pieces that want to cooperate. Okay, I see where that front piece ends. Steep angle. I'm gonna cut it underneath because I'm not really sure how this works. Okay. Just cut that off. I'm gonna go over it one more time. Oh, this is so bad. Well, that's what's happening. So when I look at my hair, it actually doesn't look that bad. I see the shortest pieces here, and there kind of is a bit of a gradient. I'm a little concerned about this section here. Time to do the other side. Okay. Let's check it. No, they ain't the same size. All right. Okay. This is stressful. This is why I don't commit to cutting my hair, because I absolutely never know what I'm doing. It's still shorter. That one felt better. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I'm just gonna deal with it when my hair dries. So now I've clipped the bang section away. I'm supposed to brush all my hair to the front. Okay, apparently you're supposed to check it, so this should be coming from the back of my head. This should be coming from the front of my head. That's the front. Whoop, I just pulled something. Back, front. Okay. Okay, I know the angle's weird, it looks warped, said, oh my gosh, my hair's just getting conditioner everywhere. Okay, brush the whole thing up. Okay, I should probably cut that off when the other side falls out. Okay, these two fell out. No, that's okay. I don't think I can cut super small. I think if I cut super small, I'm gonna be freaked out. Oh my god. Let me out, let me out. Mommy! There's a big old spider.
Spider in the bathroom. You don't like this going on? Where? That?
Mommy, he's got long legs.
Damn it.
I don't have my
Get
hands.
that scissor out of
My
here.
hands are slippery. I'm
No, that scissor is super dangerous.
kind of disturbed. I'm also confused because I don't know what I'm doing with my hair.
You be careful cutting your hair and not knowing what's going to look like when you know. You ain't supposed to do it like that.
Yeah, I do. I'm literally following a tutorial. I like this.
What? I thought your hair was supposed to be dry so you could see the curls and just cut it in the shape you need it.
That's if you're a professional.
No, if I was doing your hair, you would just had it the way it was.
Oh my goodness. I'm just gonna cut this.
Dinner time. She's got curly hair?
Yes, she's got hair.
You gotta go very easy so you don't come out like in a bad way.
Insane? Yeah. I think I just need to eat. Apparently this is adding layers. I couldn't tell you. Honestly, I feel like I cut off quite a bit. And I'm worried. I don't know. Let's take it all down. It's not exactly short. It looks exactly the same. I'm just gonna put my hair in a ponytail and I'm gonna go eat dinner. This is going swell. Hello, I'm back. So basically I redid this ponytail and I'm going to try to cut it again. So I think we want to brush all of the hair up, but turn it? That doesn't make a lot of sense either. Here's my time to shine. There, yeah. I think that's good. It's so slippery. I can do this. I have faith in us, or me, because it's just me. Just check it so that I know what I'm doing when I say let's check it. I'm okay with it. Okay, I see something here. Something is shorter here. In comparison to the bangs, I'm just gonna warn you now. Okay. Okay, hold up. Hold up. Did I possibly do something? This might not. Now, I'm already seeing I'll probably have to trim this because of the way this one's so short. But this might not have turned out as bad as it seems. Okay, I see what she means here. We have to cut the length now. Alright, so now I'm just going to put my hair up. I'm gonna get in the shower and I'm gonna style it and we're gonna see how this goes. Hi guys, so I'm back. I'm not gonna lie, it's been a couple weeks, and by a couple I mean 4 as in a month. I don't really know what happened. I just didn't get around to doing it. By doing it, I mean styling my hair. I've been running around my neighborhood, and when I run, I don't like to style my hair because then it gets sweaty and I have to wash it. It's just like it's a whole thing. So it's been a month. I apologize. But yeah, this is the full look of my hair. So I actually really like how it came out. I mean, you can kind of see how it did give me some angled layers, a little bit more of a rounded shape, which I like. So overall, I think that worked. I really haven't like gone in with scissors to touch it up afterwards yet. So this is exactly how it's been, unless my hair grew like what? Hair grows like ½ an inch in a month. ½ an inch. It's not gonna be much. The layers are still much better than the way I had it before. They're still a little bit more gradual than the shelf system I was working with. And these little thingies, they came out so cute. I mean, they're a little long, and like I said, they're a little bit uneven, but like I can fix that. Cause you know, I was a little worried when I cut it about the length of these when they dried, and I honestly wouldn't mind trimming them, but they're so cute. Yeah, I think they're adorable. I have some photos of when I had them down for Halloween that I'll probably like insert here. So I like these little bits. You can see right here, if I want it to be more gradual and probably healthier, like this needs to be cut. You know, I was kind of struggling with like the idea of cutting a lot of my hair off. For me, it felt like I was cutting a lot, but when I was done, it really wasn't that much. You'll probably get more drastic results if you cut off more, specifically when you do the layer section, not really the length or anything. Honestly, I would do this again, considering I don't plan on spending $100 for a haircut anytime soon, especially now that I know how it works. I think it'll just take some practice, but it turned out pretty well for me. All right, so I want to say thank you, Mains by Mel and Amanda. This was a great haircut. Leave a comment down below if you also tried the haircut, or if you want to try the haircut, what your experience was, or maybe if you have any questions about my experience. Sorry, I don't know what it is about this lighting and this Walmart shirt, but got me feeling some type of way. And I bought new shoes. Well, they're slippers. And I love them. They just came today. Leave a comment on your experience. Like this video if you like this video. Subscribe if you also like this video. Let me know what you might want to see if you want to see something else. You should buy some of these. Alright, bye. Hi guys. Ooh.